I'm Elisa with Morrocco Method. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Morrocco Method. We are the experts in 100% natural hair care. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Before we get into this video, I'd like to give you all a quick update on the changes that are coming to our channel in light of the situation happening worldwide currently. As of right now, our entire team at Morrocco Method is working remotely, and collectively we're doing everything that we can individually to slow the spread of this illness. In addition to keeping ourselves as healthy as possible, we are taking additional steps all across all of our platforms to help you too. We are shifting the focus of our content across each of our social media platforms to bring you tips and ways to help you stay healthy naturally. The content on this channel for the foreseeable future will be primarily geared toward immunity boosting tips and other helpful things that you can do to keep your body running in optimal condition. With that said, please be advised that our content is not a substitute for medical advice and it is not a cure for any illness. Please consult your physician if you have any questions or concerns regarding your health, and make sure that you're following your government's local health and safety protocols. We're in this together, and we here at Morrocco Method are dedicated to doing as much as we can to help you stay healthy. Now, let's jump into today's video. Join me in my kitchen while I show you how to make not just one, but two really simple drinks that can help boost your immunity and help you stay healthy all year round. Check the description box for everything you need, and if you have this stuff, feel free to follow along from wherever you are. Now, let's get started. First, start with a glass of warm to hot water. Not too hot though. If it's too hot to touch, let it cool off for a few minutes before continuing to the next step. Next, add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. You can add more or less if you want to, but we don't recommend adding more than 1 tablespoon, as too much acidity can cause damage to your tooth enamel. Make sure that your apple cider vinegar has what's called the mother included. That's where you'll find dozens of strains of helpful probiotics. If you're buying apple cider vinegar for this recipe, make sure that it's unpasteurized and unfiltered. And don't forget to shake up the bottle, because this makes sure that the mother is evenly distributed throughout the bottle and into your drink. Now, grab your lemon. Juice the lemon and add between 1 teaspoon and 2 tablespoons, depending on personal preference. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C, so of course this has to be in here. After that, get your Blackstrap Molasses and add 1 teaspoon. Blackstrap Molasses isn't very sweet at all, but it's a real treat for your body. Containing iron, calcium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and selenium, this thick syrupy goodness is a must-have in here. Now, we want to balance out the sour power of the lemon juice, but we want to do it as healthily as we can. That's why our sweetener of choice is honey. Honey contains antioxidants and is anti-inflammatory. Reducing any inflammation you may have in your body is a great way to keep your systems running in tip-top shape. And make sure your honey is authentic. The best way to ensure that your honey is real and of optimal quality is to buy from your local beekeeper. If there isn't one near you, make sure that your honey is as local, natural, raw, and unfiltered as possible. Ginger is another antioxidant-rich ingredient that can help fight inflammation. For this recipe, you're going to want a small chunk of ginger. You can also take ginger slices and finely chop them up, like I did here. You can either squeeze the ginger and get the juice into the glass, or you can put the root directly in there, like I did. Ginger is one of my favorite ingredients in cooking, so I am all about this step. Lastly, but certainly not least, is cayenne pepper. This power powder isn't just for your chili. Cayenne pepper contains vitamins A, E, C, B6, and vitamin K. But wait, there's more. It also has manganese, potassium, and riboflavin. You'll want to add between 1/8 and 1/4 teaspoon. If you're unsure about adding this ingredient due to the spice factor, just start with a tiny pinch and see how you like it. Once everything is in the glass, give it a good stir, and it's ready. Alright, let's see how this tastes. That is not bad, and I'm surprised actually. I decided to go in and add 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and I have a pretty low spice tolerance, but I think that's because the acidity of the lemon and the apple cider vinegar helped to cut that spice level down. Yeah, honestly, it's kind of refreshing. Like the lemon is nice, I don't taste the apple cider vinegar, The spice wasn't totally removed from the acidity. It's still in there, but it's a tolerable amount. This is a really good drink to have first thing in the morning, as it kind of wakes up your system, gets your metabolism going, and it's just a nice, healthy way to sort of get everything going. And feel free to adjust the amounts of each ingredient in here to your liking. As long as you have each ingredient in here, you're doing your body a huge favor. And if you want to make this recipe vegan, simply take out the honey and substitute for a little bit more Blackstrap Molasses. For nighttime, here's a super quick and simple beverage to help your body wind down while continuing to maintain your body's health. You'll only need about 8 ounces of water and the honey from earlier. Here's how it's made. For this drink, if you'd prefer, you can have your water at the same temperature that you would normally brew tea at. This will help the honey dissolve easier. Next, add your honey. The amount you choose is up to you. Either way, you'll be reaping the benefits of this powerful superfood. Simply stir until dissolved and enjoy. That's it for today's video. We hope these recipes help you in staying healthy and well. Remember, our health is our wealth. This is Elisa with Morrocco Method signing off, wishing you health, happiness, and as always, 100% naturally luxurious hair. Bye!